Absolute, it is an adjective, total, unlimited. An absolute ruler is one who is ruled by no one else. An absolute mess is a total mess. An absolute rule is one that has no exception and that you must follow, no two ways about it. Absolute is also a noun. It means something that is total, unlimited, or perfect. Death for living things is an absolute. There just isn't any way around it. Absolve, it is a verb, to forgive or free from blame, to free from sin, to free from an obligation. The priest absolved the sinner who had just come to the church to confess. Tom's admission of guilt absolved Mary, who had originally been accused of the crime. It is also possible to absolve someone of a responsibility. Jake absolved Kiara of her obligation to go to the prom with him. He told her it was all right if she went with the captain of the football team instead. The act of absolving is called absolution. Abstinent, it is an adjective, abstaining, voluntarily not doing something, especially something pleasant that is bad for you or has a bad reputation. Viola used to be a smoker, now she is abstinent. Cynthia, who was dieting, tried to be abstinent, but when she saw the chocolate cake, she realized that she would probably have to eat the entire thing. A person who abstains from something is an abstainer and engages in abstinence. Abstract, it is an adjective, theoretical, impersonal. He liked oysters in the abstract, but when he actually tried one, he became nauseated. To like something in abstract is to like the idea of it. Bruno doesn't like abstract art. He thinks that the painting should resemble something real, not a lot of splattered paint. Abstruse, it is an adjective, hard to understand. The professor's article on the meaning of meaning was abstruse. Michael couldn't even pronounce the words in it. Nuclear physics is a subject that is too abstruse for most people. Abysmal, it is an adjective, extremely hopeless or wretched, bottomless. An abyss is a bottomless pit or something so deep that it seems bottomless. Abysmal despair is despair so deep that no hope seems possible. The nation's debt crisis was abysmal. There seemed to be no possible solution. Abysmal is often used somewhat sloppily to mean very bad. You might hear a losing baseball team performance referred to as abysmal. This isn't strictly correct, but many people use the word this way. Accolade, it is a noun, an award in honor. This word is generally used in plural. The first breakdancing troupe to perform in Carnegie Hall, the Teflon Toughs, received accolades from the critics as well as from the fans. Accost, it is a verb to approach and speak to someone aggressively. Amanda karate chopped the stranger who accosted her in the street and was embarrassed to find he was an old blind man. Acerbic, it is an adjective, sour, severe, like acid in temper, mood or tone. Barry sat silently as his friends read the teacher's acerbic comments on his paper. Acerb and acerbic are synonyms. Acerbity is a state of being acerbic.